there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions while having a few laughs along the way. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing two sky-high contenders, the Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the SYMA Drone. Buckle up and get ready for takeoff. Alright, let's start with the price, because, let's be honest, our wallets need to know what they're getting into. On the left, we have the Holystone HS440, priced at $129. And on the right, the SYMA Drone comes in at a budget-friendly $99. That's right, folks, SYMA is cheaper, leaving you with enough cash to buy yourself a celebratory coffee, or 3. Next up, camera quality. Holystone HS440 boasts a 1080 PHD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app. It's like having your own personal aerial photographer. Meanwhile, the SYMA Drone also offers a 1080 PHD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. So both drones will capture your epic moments. But with Holystone, you can adjust the angle and get that perfect "I woke up like this" shot. Now, let's talk airtime. Holystone gives you up to 20 minutes of sweet flight time. But SYMA is here to flex with not one, but TWO batteries, giving you a whopping 40 minutes of sky adventures. That's double the time to annoy your neighbors by flying over their backyards. Portability is key, especially if you plan to take your drone on the go. Holystone is foldable and comes with a handy carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. SYMA, on the other hand, doesn't fold, but hey, it's lighter on your wallet, so maybe you can use the savings to buy a fanny pack to carry it around. Fashionable and functional. User experience can make or break your drone adventures. Holystone prides itself on its intuitive features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's basically the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. SYMA also has user-friendly features like headless mode, altitude mode, and one-key takeoff/landing. Plus, you can control it with the SYMA app. It's like playing a video game, but in real life. Just don't crash into your mom's flower bed. Safety first, people. Holystone has intelligent functions like emergency stop and altitude hold, making it great for beginners. SYMA steps it up with low-voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and propeller guards. It's like having a drone with bubble wrap. Safe and sound, no matter how clumsy you are. Reviewers have a lot to say about both drones. Holystone HS440 is praised for being easy to learn on, durable, and having a decent camera for its price range. However, it struggles a bit with wind stability and has brushed motors which may affect longevity. On the other hand, the SYMA Drone is celebrated for its ease of use, durability, and suitability for young pilots. It has strong obstacle avoidance features, but comes with a short battery life per charge, though it includes 2 batteries. Overall, both drones are recommended, with Holystone being great for beginners and SYMA being a fun and affordable option for kids and new users. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a more advanced, foldable drone with a sleek carrying case, the Holystone HS440 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want more flight time with solid safety features, the SYMA Drone is a smart choice. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Let us know in the comments which drone you think takes the crown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep shopping smart and flying high. Product links are in the description.